Hi everyone, my name is Dale Hache.
My name is Andy McTaggart.
I'm Ed. I'm an engineer. I wouldn't call myself a woodworker, but I like to build things.
I've been doing woodworking now for a good, probably about 4 years in total, but I never really took it under as a full-time gig, if you want to call it, until I got my LongMill.
My experience with using LongMill has been outstanding.
On top of being a great experience in terms of translating ideas to reality, and so it's really done a great job for that.
Everybody kept talking about how it was stable. It was a lot of, okay, this machine is rigid, it's not going to break apart if I accidentally, smash into the end or into the table.
Anyways, yeah.
So far my experience with using the LongMill has been fantastic. The type of learning experience that I wanted, because I like to really know what I'm doing deeply.
So the more you are comfortable with your machine, the better it is. The more you understand the machine, the better it is.
And allow me to start out just doing very simple, cut my own name into a piece of plywood board, to cutting intense designs that I can pour resin into and get colors and all of that involved.
To have the camaraderie in that group that we do have, and the give and the drive to give and to succeed others, to have others succeed, you don't find that in the other CNC groups.
It sort of translates some of my visions into something real, something really physical.